fucking made me some thick coffee for this one. All right. Got a bunch of feedback from last week's episode. Mainly a bunch of people I know. You know, some strangers and shit like that. So, I'm gonna get to that. Still, I'm rocking my burner phone. I'm gonna talk about that. You know, the only times like I miss my smart technology, apps and shit like that is hey, when I'm taking a shit, fucking I was at my friend's house the other day and I was like, oh fuck. I was like, you got a magazine? And then I'm in there reading the back of the fucking shampoo bottles, the ingredients and shit like that. Cause fucking, you know, doesn't happen like a light switch, you're on there, so you need something to occupy your mind. You can't get Uber on a burner phone. Not at all, man. So you better fucking plan your rides or you're fucking walking. You can't check your online banking. That kind of sucks. I don't miss the fucking social media aspects of it. I don't. I mean, maybe I feel a little better from it. It's too soon to tell. I got too many things going on to be able to fucking tell if one thing is making an impact or another at the moment. No GPS. So like I'm fucking breaking out the atlas if I gotta fucking find a way, or printing fucking MapQuest fucking old school fucking paper routes and shit like that. Cause I had to fucking find out where my fucking therapist was. What else? Fucking the YouTube. I mean, where this is at, I can't fucking, listen to fucking tunes as often as I did. So I'm going to go even older school, and I'm going to try and find one of my old school iPods so I can fucking put my iTunes on that. Because fucking all of this shit on my iTunes is shit I bought anyway. So I want to fucking be able to listen to that more. So, those are the kind of the only things I miss. As I said, I fucking still update my profane gram and the fucking DM gram and on Mondays or Tuesdays, I'll upload it to the Facebook accounts. Videos are still coming out on Mondays now. I just set the time for them. So, but all right. So I'm getting therapy. Fucking set up that fucking therapist appointment. I'm going into it because I want to fucking crack these fucking things, and I want to move forward. I was a bit nervous about is this person going to even be able to help me with my situations if they don't even have like relationships or any kind of like things like that. And it was cool. It was cool, dude. It was neat. Talking to somebody that you don't have to have expectations for. And I don't mean like, I have expectations, he'll do his job, but as in like, somebody, in the real world or shit like that, a friend or, a significant other, I don't have expectations of them letting you down. And, you don't like your therapist, you can always go get another. It's a no judgment thing. So, on Monday I'll be setting up my second appointment. So fucking we hit a bunch of shit, and it was just the intake, it was meeting people, so it was just scratching the surface. I can't say I went to one fucking therapy session, I'm cured. It was just like kind of like a get to know you, because I had some questions for him, he had some questions for me. So it was cool. Like I said, I'm going to keep doing it. I'm excited to try and figure out outlets and stuff like that. I do have a bit of an addiction. I always say like I'm fucking, a lot of my friends say I got a good willpower because I've never become an alcoholic, I've never become a drug addict, and I've dabbled with everything, and I've quit things at the drop of the dime. You know, I got my sober month every year where I just stop everything, you know, even nicotine if I'm doing that at the current moment, and just fucking drop everything for 30 days. And fucking this year's challenge is even crazier. So just wait till the fucking end of March and I tell you what stupid shit I'm going to be putting myself through. But it's going to be it's going to be hard work. But I have a different kind of addiction, you know, in my head and shit like that. And he even said like it's not so much of an addiction as it's like, you know, a fucking a quick fix, quick hit kind of thing. But I'll get into that shit when I fucking know more of what's going on. You know, like I said, I got to just bring truth up to the forefront. That's why I'm fucking, you know, this is kind of like becoming, you know, maybe like my video journal nowadays. And I always said, fucking, I want to get as much as my personality up on the internet. So when fucking it's all robots and AI running the world one day, they'll be able to fucking bring my AI to life. And now that I'm fucking bringing the truth and my more of my actual real personality into this forum, they'll be able to more accurately create me in the future, you know? So, uh, you know, it was leaving my comfort zone. I always talk about people fucking, you know, leaving their comfort zone, you know, going to shows by themselves, going to the movies by themselves, doing things by themselves, you know, and leaving your comfort zone because it makes you, you know, you got to get used to doing things you're not comfortable doing. And fucking I for the longest time I didn't think I needed it because, you know, I always knew about problems I had, but I never addressed them. So now you know, I'm leaving that comfort zone and I'm gonna fucking, you know, I'm doing professional help and shit like that. And, um, you know, I'm not very happy, but I'm focused. So, you know, that's a good thing. You know, I just want to be a better person than I was yesterday every day. So I'm jumping all around here. Fucking, my notes are fucking nowadays like jumbles and shit like that. I have them written down on all different things, and I try and put them on one paper, and I can never fucking find a pen. And sorry if you fucking hear the washer and dryer running. Fucking, I got to cram everything into a Saturday that I do around my house right now. And it's a little difficult to get everything done all at once. And you know, uh, what else? You know, saying doing all these things is like sacrificing time now. You know, sacrificing and working harder in the present so that my future is a little more relaxed and comfortable, and I can fucking go in that direction. You know, and fucking it's another thing I wanted to hit up was what the fuck it it's hard to leave someone alone that you care about. You know, when somebody tells you, "Hey, fuck off, don't contact me," or somebody says, "You know what? It's just not good for us to fucking have a conversation right now," or any of that shit. You know, I need to work on me, and you know, it's a tough scenario to fucking give that person space. You know, and that's a big willpower thing. I'm having a tough time with that, but you know, I feel I'm doing all right. I still probably do a little too much, but that's that. So, like I said, I'm cramming all of my shit into Saturdays, all of my notes. So fucking jumping around. I did do some new musical outlets, some more art, some more video this week. I've been trying to keep myself busy. You know, for having an earlier bedtime, I'd get more sleep, but I haven't been sleeping too much. I haven't been eating a lot either, and I'm big on eating. I did go to my boy's fucking Turkish restaurant yesterday, and fucking feasted there. It was great. But I'm starting to ramble now. Like I said, these next couple episodes are probably going to be like a little bit of a metamorphosis and changing and stuff like that, as you're seeing my personality more instead of fucking the profane character. And I'm probably doing the like what I did when I started doing this program. I'm probably doing a lot of uhs and pauses, and I can't fucking stand that shit when I'm listening to something. So once again, it's the next level of this show. It's the next level of evolution. You know, I can't wait to see what's fucking this show's gonna be like in its fucking third year running, if I decide to continue it. You know, like I said, certain things in my life are taking priority. Some things I gotta fucking stop doing. Some things I gotta fucking learn to distance myself from. I don't see this as an unhealthy thing at all. I see it as fucking my mind growing, because I'm always learning, you know, new editing, new fucking software, different kinds of shit I can include in it. It is an outlet. Uh, it is something that's a positive use of my time. So, you know, hopefully, you know, I'm saying it today, but I said last week I'm going to be up and down with my fucking moods and stuff. But hopefully, maybe this will go into a third year. I'd like to get some new suits for the third year. You know, if you're a regular watcher, you know, I've been recycling a lot. And my most one I recycle is my cult leader smock. Fucking love that, you know. But Tuesdays, I still do the Bearded Brothers show, fucking Canadian radio, so check them out. I'm sorry I missed last week's. I'm hopefully going to be on this week's. I got to fucking see if my phone and my Bluetooth line up, my burner and shit like that, so, or figure out a different way to go about it. But make sure you check them out on I'll probably have a link, or I guarantee I fucking follow them on the MPR fucking Facebook. So fucking follow the Bearded Brothers, follow their personal accounts. They're great friends of mine. I love doing the show with them. They fucking always bring a smile on my face and make me laugh. Check out their other shit, Burn the Beat. Remember to share these things. If you got fucking some of the problems that I got, fucking, or some shit that relates, you know, leave a comment. I say to leave a comment. I'm probably not gonna see it though, because I'm steering clear of the smart technology still, you know, and I'm, you know, like I said, I'm just scratching the surface now, so everything's in its beginning stages. I still don't have all of my contacts in my phone. You know, don't message my fucking any of the fucking social media that's up for this, because I'm not gonna fucking respond to it. You know, except for Scott. I hit you up, dog. Get that GoFundMe going so I can fucking post it up. Yeah. And that's fucking today's show. Fucking keep healing, be a better person than you were yesterday, right? Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's a little fucking red box there. I'm on all different kinds of social media and shit like that. Instagram, Twitter, the Facebook. The big thing here to keep this going is share. You know what I'm saying? If you're a fucking friend or a fan, it doesn't cost a goddamn thing to share. Share your favorite episode. Share your favorite playlist. Just fucking share a picture of it and tag me in it. Maybe I'll give you some free shit if you do that, you know? Fucking, let's keep this going. You know, I put this out there for free, so why the hell not, you know? Once again, share the shit, and thanks for fucking watching.